So what's happening, Spunk?
It's raining.
It's raining, as the saying goes.
Powerful windy.
Powerful windy. It's calmed down a little bit, but this tent was rocking and rolling. We lost a couple of pegs, and there was catastrophe and near catastrophe.
And now we're sitting in the big ice on our chairs.
Hey there, interwebs. We're back for another motorcycle adventure. For us, we're either riding our dirt bikes on the back roads of the Cariboo region of British Columbia, camping at the local area rec sites, or we're doing longer distance adventure motorcycling on our Honda NX500s. Whichever we do, along the way we talk about the bikes, the equipment we used, and the experience, filming using GoPros and drones. We'd love to have you along for the ride, so jump on the back of the bikes. Let's go. Well, here we are at Skihist. So I'm gonna just do a quick, and that's the big Agnes, and you can see there's threats of rain.
It's the big spunky.
The big spunky, and we are in the same campsite that we were in before when we came here last.
Love it. It's very nice.
It's campsite number 27.
It has trees.
It has trees.
It's not too close to the bathroom, not too far.
We have coffee.
We have coffee. We have water.
We have water because we planned better. So what time did we start tearing down?
8:30.
And what time is it now?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
And I'm putting my boots on.
We're putting our boots on. Bikes are packed and stacked and racked, and all's good to go.
On to Steelhead and Savinaw. From Skihist, goodbye 27. We love you. We will be back. Okay. putting on our waterproof gear because it's raining a bit.
Yeah.
And then we're going to Steelhead
Still going to
campsite.
Steelhead. So, where are we now?
We're at Hungry Herbies in Cache. It's actually Herbies, but the sign says hungry, Herbies. I always called it Hungry Herbies.
Everybody always called it Hungry Herbies. So it is known throughout the province and far and wide as Hungry Herbies.
And we used to stop here all the time to get soft ice cream because my mom loved the soft ice cream that they sell here, which they still sell here, but we didn't.
Same ice cream. We just had a sausage and egg thing that was pretty terrific. Gee, I got Ed Grimley pants. And we are benign or yellow.
But we're easy to see in the rain, so that's
We're easy to see in the rain.
Yes, dear interwebs, we do ride in the rain too. What lake is this? Kamloops Lake?
Let's do a bit of a tour of it. We're taking the very first one.
Up where? Oh yeah. I like the ones down here. Oh, I like this one.
I'm going to turn around and come back to you.
Okay. We put the tent behind us here. Is it too close to the garbage bins? Let's do this one. Should I move my bike over more?
$23 a night.
How much?
23 a night.
Okay. Did they have a senior rate?
I don't know. I didn't talk to anybody.
Hit that thumbs up again.
So we have set up. There's Spunky just doing her chair. And
Yes, it looks like something out of Cirque du Soleil. The Helinox 1 chair folds down small, sets up easy, and holds enough weight that you would ever need to.
so this is, we got here, it just started to rain when we were putting the tarp up. So everything is in, everything's off the bikes and in. This is Kamloops Lake. these forces here are dynamic. Anyway, we're there and we're here and we're good to go. So what's happening, Smoky?
It's raining.
It's raining, as the saying goes.
Powerful windy.
Powerful windy. It's calmed down a little bit, but this tent was rocking and rolling. We lost a couple of pegs, and there was catastrophe and near catastrophe.
And now we're sitting in the big ice on our chairs.
With the little buddy.
With the little buddy.
Warming us
Very
up.
warm.
And then I stepped on my glasses, because, you know, no trip would be complete without losing my glasses and then stepping on them, because
sitting on them.
I'm an idiot.
Stop taking your glasses off.
What do they say? You can fix ugly, but you can't fix stupid. But you can quiet it down with duct tape. The woman who was running the campsite up here told us that. That was her thing. I don't think it was directed at me, but it may apply a little bit there. Jesus, I'm such an idiot for losing my glasses. Anyway, we are enduring a 6-hour tempest, and yeah, that's what we're doing. So that's what we're doing. I could have turned the GoPro on for this, but I didn't. I just did this. So.
Thanks to the big Agnes.
Yeah, it's
keeping us dry.
Yeah, the big Agnes is keeping us dry as long as the damn tent pegs stay in.
The poor kids next door are sitting in their cars.
They're sitting in their car. They're camping in their cars.
And I don't think they're saying peace out.
I don't think they're saying peace out, but they are kids. And if we get an opportunity, we're going to ask.
We'll ask them. What do the kids say?
But until we know,
peace out.
That is what the kids say.
That is what the kids say.
How often does the train go by? So often you won't even notice.